Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. This is Shilpa Patil, and from 4th standard of Social Studies, today we are going to start our first chapter, India, our nation. From this chapter, we will learn about physical features of India and political features of India. Children, as you know, India is a beautiful country with great diversity. Children, do you know what is meant by diversity? Yes, there is a variety of everything. Variety of language, variety of tradition, gender. That is why we are celebrating many different kinds of festivals. Different languages we are speaking, that is called the diversity. That way, India is a very beautiful country with great diversity. It is situated in the south of Asia, the world's largest continent. This is the world's largest continent, the south of Asia, and in that only our India is situated. The southern part of India is a peninsula. Children, do you know what is meant by peninsula? Yes, three sides covered by water and one side covered by land is called a peninsula. That way, this is the southern part of our India, north, east and west. That way, the southern part of our India is a peninsula. Why it is a peninsula? As I told you, it is covered by three sides water. In that, here you can see the Arabian Sea is there, Bay of Bengal, and at the down you can see the Indian Ocean. That way India is a southern part of our India is a peninsula. This is the physical map of our India. The physical map in which many landforms we can see here, water level also we can see here. That way this is called a physical map of India. India is the 7th largest country in area and the second most populated country in the world. India is the 7th largest country in area. एरिया वाइज अगर हम जाएंगे तो 7th नंबर आएगा इंडिया का एंड द सेकेंड मोस्ट पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री, द फर्स्ट मोस्ट पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री इज चाइना. चाइना के बाद इंडिया का ही नंबर आता है पॉपुलेशन में. हाउ मच इज़ इट? 1.21 बिलियन पीपल. बिलियंस में अगर आप मैथ्स पढ़ते हैं तो वहाँ पे आपको पता चलेगा बिलियन कितना होता है. इट हैज़ द लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी इन द वर्ल्ड. Democracy, do you know what is mean by democracy? Democracy is a system of government by the whole population, typically through the elected representatives. जो इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स होते हैं, जैसे कि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भी है और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट भी है. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट चीफ मिनिस्टर इज देयर एंड सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज देयर. दिस इज द सिस्टम of government which ruled on India, that is called the democracy. So this way it has the largest democracy. So children, the geographical features of India include the physical and political features. Now we are going to learn about the physical features of India. This is the map of physical map of India. It has been shown in the textbook also. The physical features include size, area, boundaries and various landforms like mountains, plains, deserts and plateaus. These are the landforms, various landforms, and that way the physical features like the size, area and boundaries and different landforms included in the physical features of India. I hope all of you understand this video, children. Like it and share it and subscribe the channel also. Thank you very much.